project. Come see the progression.
Is that the main tower?
Since last time we started the roof now, roof deck boards are going on, ceiling's done, and it's time to wrap it up. As you can see, the cedar shakes are going on. We have some work to do around the dormers. Some rotten wood up there we got to remove and replace. But once we get the cedar shakes on, we'll deal with those. Justin's put